Morning everyone. Today I am going to do the debate on topic, can computers replace teachers? I strongly believe that computers can replace teachers because computers have math knowledge compared to teachers and they can express things in a different manner.
Sorry to interrupt. I strongly believe that computers cannot replace a teacher because a teacher, when teaches to his student, the actions, the words, the eye contact, everything in a teacher is clearly observed by a student and he learns each and every point from him. When coming to a computer, it cannot give clear eye contact, it cannot give practical exposure, it cannot give a clear-cut information, it cannot clarify doubts which are arise to the student.
But for a student to understand the lesson, there is no need of eye contact, body language. By the interest of the student only, he can learn by use of the computer.
When a teacher teaches a student to act, how will he act? Without the assistance of a teacher, giving the directions to act, giving the information how to act, a computer cannot give.
There is step-by-step process for a student to do what he want to do by showing the images, videos, and many other experimentations.
A very good example, when an army men are giving training, a computer cannot give an army man training to shoot the target.
But computer can tell how to shoot by aiming, and with that use, we cannot lose our human beings in the crime.
When a war occurred in a battle, the captain leads the team by guiding the candidates or by guiding the corps. But a computer does not lead the team. A captain is a teacher to the assistants who are back to him. But a computer cannot guide. But a computer cannot take care of a corps.
Computer also gives the instructions and rules and regulations for the military and army members how to follow others.
Computer not gives all the information about fighting means war, but captain gives all the instructions how to move, how to fight, how to move in this direction, how to move in that direction, and how to fight with the opponents. That type of techniques given by only captain, but not by computer.
By knowing some of the information given by the computer, the soldier who is in the war can experience by their own and can express by their own.
I can't understand your line. Repeat.
Computer gives some instructions and information. That information is improved by the soldier who is in the war and he follows by his own ideas.
Soldier. Check. Soldier gives more information to the computer, but it does not know how by its own. Some of he knows it does not use to the computer, but he knows to him, he suggests to his assistants like how to work with the superiors, how to work with the
It's work.
But the
Front.
by the use of computers, we can acquire more knowledge when compared to seniors in the military and army. Computers can also gather all the experiences of all soldiers and used to the training members.
There are so many teachers in the world. Some of them working only for their salaries. They don't teach well. The students with refer to that particular teacher lost their time to develop. Teachers belong to the category want only income. They didn't want student development. There is loss in particular case.
But when compared to computers, teachers, some of teachers are working for only salary, but remaining working for students growing. But computer, when it have current, then it gives information. Without current, in remote areas like rural areas, how the information get by students, teachers. All of teachers not work for salary only. They work for students growing also.
A teacher who wants student development, they can teach well. But as they are economics, they have so many problems like financial and family problems. They strike their mind. They are unable to teach well in all situations. There is a chance to loss of student.
A computer. The rural students who are very good at technology, knowing the technology, following the technology, cannot update their information by only seeing and reading through a computer. He needs some assistance by a teacher to learn, to implement, and to execute the principles, everything, each and every point that are given to us. But a computer does not help a student who is very poor and does not know anything. He is still in a learning stage. Suppose a head chef is a teacher who are under the trainings. A computer does not give clear-cut information how to cook and how to adjust in a kitchen or cook the food items, anything. But a teacher who is nearby assists in cooking, helps in every point and in everything.
How can you say that computer cannot help in a good way? In each country there are different types of chefs and different types of techniques that one teacher cannot help. One teacher don't know how to cook in different ways. But in computer everything is kept and so many videos are there for different chefs. And each country they have their own styles and each chef can every video is kept in the computer, but teacher cannot do this.
But there is difference between video seeing and present learning. By practical learning, how to add this ingredients to
Whatever
this.
said in the practical, there is shown in the same video in the computer also.
But by seeing videos, sometimes we may make mistakes. But by being taught by our superiors like chefs, how to add the ingredients and how much time it takes to complete like that.
Suppose on our English lab, we saw a PowerPoint presentation given by our senior. By watching that video, do you know how to prepare a PPT and how to explain a PPT? Our teacher, our facilitator helped us in improving our skills on the presentation of PPT. Can a computer give information?
Computer is made for technology. Everything, why you are given PPTs? For knowing the technology, what is in a clear cut. Where but computer shows it in a good way.
For example, one MS surgeon can give another doctor some philosophies to how to give a surgery. But any computer cannot give any suggestions about the surgery. If it gives means that man will die.
You told that for a student to develop teacher have to give some information. It like a spoon feeding. There is no need. There is not necessary for a student to develop our country. A chef knows how to cook. A mechanic knows how to repair those instruments. But a computer knows all the information. A chef in our country knows how to cook our potato. But a computer knows all of the potato.
As you said, some surgery, it is if it is in a correct way, then only it is kept in computer, so that there is no problem to the patient.
But not seeing visibly how to make the layers of heart to cut, we can't able to make a surgery.
We have so many type of cameras and video clarity cameras by which we can see in slow motion also, whereas we cannot see in a instant.
By watching a video or by watching a video clipping or an image, we cannot get correct information about an actor. For suppose, if you want to repair a motorbike, if we watch a video and try to repair, it will take much time without the assistance of a teacher or an engineer.
No need of having teacher. It is kept because to know from the computer only. And by seeing we can see how many times we can't, that many times we can see. But teacher cannot explain that many times by opening the hole and assembling again the bag. But in computer we can see so many times, hundreds of times we can see.
A teacher made a mistake, he rectified his mistake by himself or any other teacher help. But whereas the computer doesn't take help to the other computers to rectify his mistake.
Computer did not do any mistake to rectify it. It describes the correct manner and the correct way.
Who gives the correct manner? The teacher only gives the correct manner to maintain the system software in correct way. So computer cannot replace teacher.
Computer can collect all the information about the single matter all over the world and explains the student in a different way what manner he wants.
Computer takes information all over the world, but computer gets from the researchers or teachers or scientists. The scientists, teachers, researchers are come from teaching by teachers.
But the teacher is in US, the student is in India. How the teacher can teach a student in India? That's why the matter is kept in the computer, and the student in India can collect it and rectify it.
Some of the students interested in USA teaching, some of the students interested in Indian teachers, some of students who are interested in by watching videos in system. Some of the students want to listen from the teachers who likes to do, they likes to do that.
A teacher only explains the matter. You said teacher is in USA and the student is in India. Through the computer he explains, but a computer does not explain.
But the teacher can't come to India.
I said suddenly, a teacher explains using the computer to a student, but a computer directly does not explain to the students.
If computer is not there, what will you do? If computer is not there, what will you do?
If a teacher is not there to facilitate the information, how could the computer give the information to a student?
Okay, tell me why the videos are kept in computer? Teacher, why he keeps videos in computer?
It's the technology. By improving technology, teachers also uses computers by saving their money to transport expenses to remain this.
A computer assists a teacher to give it.
It is said that you are agreeing that teacher depends on computers.
not said that teachers are not depending on computers, and said that they decreases their expenses by using technology, by not computers.
I am saying that a teacher takes the assistance of a computer to explain to a student, but a computer cannot replace a teacher, because a teacher gives the information to a computer to transfer it to the student, but a computer directly cannot collect information to give it to a student.
Teacher keeps the information in computer so that we can get it in any time. If you have exam in next day at night 10 o'clock, if you get any doubt, what will you do? You will switch on the computer and you will see search in the net. So computer is better.
The information kept in that website which you have opened at 10:30 p.m. is also given by a teacher, but a computer does not. But a computer does not catch the information directly. If at 10:30 p.m. there is no current, what it will be? We can make a call to a teacher to get the information about the doubt.
Again, the call is a gadget which is in mobile. In mobile, we can see the information by opening various websites, and so computer